this tutorial, I'm going to be using this light blue shirt, and actually my club advisor and other members suggested that I try this out because I'm known as a DIYer there. First, I'll be rinsing the shirt and squeezing out excess water. Starting from the top of the shirt where the collar is, I'm going to twist the shirt together and then roll it together. And then in the end, when I finish rolling, I will be putting on some rubber bands to secure it. Now in the cup, I'm pouring around 1 part bleach and then around 10 or so more parts of water. And this is to dilute the bleach, because if you just use all the straight up bleach, then you might damage the shirt. And so now I'm pouring the bleach mixture onto the shirt, and I'm making sure to pour this on both sides. Now here's a quick time lapse of the bleaching process. I let the bleach settle in overnight, and so now I'm just taking the rubber bands off and unraveling the shirt. After that, I'm going to wash the shirt off to get rid of all the bleach. The shirt is wet here, but this is what it looks like, and there wasn't as much bleach as I wanted, and so I did repeat this process again. And this is what the second bleaching started to look like. Again, the shirt is still wet here, but this is the result of the second bleaching. Finally, this is what the shirt looks like when it's all dry. And for the center, front, and back, I might do some more bleaching because the sleeves got a nice bleaching, but the other parts didn't, and I would like to emphasize more of the white. For comparison, the before is on the left and the after is on the right.